Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. So I'm in Water Region Cater, and today we prepare one of a special snack they have over here in across Ghana. Man, this is a special snack that has been in existence for years. I've been chewing this snack when I was in the primary school, and it's still relevant till now. So this snack is called Atsupipi in their language. The guys call it Adunlee, and I can't call it Achumbo. It has its own unique way and very simple to prepare. Man, you can't miss this. So you remember that the lady that prepared abulekakro for us the other day, she'll be preparing this Atsupipi for us. She used to sell them, okay, so she has a great experience about how this is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell a friend, tell a brother, make sure you share, you subscribe, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, yeah? Alright, let's do this. But before we start, today's video is sponsored by Afro Tea. Afro Tea is made from our true local natural herbs or plants we have in Africa, and it's a tea that will help boost your immune system and also keep you in shape. There are about 9 different types of these natural flavors. They have hibiscus and ginger, which is sobolo powder with ginger. They have mango and ginger. They have kinkiliba leaves. They also have adding fruit, which is prekese with lemon and ginger, and a whole lot. Afro Tea also comes with 9 sealed package. So before you start your day, or after hard day's work, or even during the day, you can drink Afro Tea. All what you need is hot water. Just dip in a bag of tea bag into the hot water and wait for some minutes, and add in your honey, brown sugar or sweetener. Then you are good to go. It's just perfect. It's just like drinking any normal tea that Lipton or whatever. This you have, or you feel the herbs, the aroma of the herbal. Very nice product, and I recommend you to try this as well. You can find them online, which is www.afroteaonline.com, or you can email them on consumer service at afroteaonline.com. You can also call them on 057-455-5557 if you're in Ghana, and if you're in Europe and want some of this product, call Solo in Germany +49 176 560 79019. And if you're in America or Canada and want to have some of this product, visit Amazon USA and you get Afro Tea from Amazon. Afro Tea, every sip count. For shizzle and nizzle. So grandma over here sells fruits. Yeah. So on her table there's banana, pineapple, mango, and all those stuff. And that's the snacks as well, which is abukakro and Atsupipi, like achumbo. Yeah. The slim one, yeah. So we're here in to start this process, you need some basic ingredients. You need boiling water, sugar, salt, and corn flour. Pour in your salt and sugar into the water and let it boil. And after, you mix some of the corn flour with water and pour inside the boiling water. But before you pour that, make sure you fetch some of the boiling water and put it aside. Salt and now sugar. Yeah, so now our water is now boiling for the Atsupipi. So this corn flour, and we are mixing it with a bit of water. Okay. So it's like making porridge. Okay. So corn flour will be mixed and it was poured inside the boiling water. So it's like making porridge, yeah? So you're now adding the corn flour to it, to the porridge. So when I saw her adding corn flour to the porridge, I said, hey, are you making akpele? Because I've been here for a while, so I know, or I've learned how akpele is done. Man, really interesting. And this is making like akpele. So this the steps of making akpele, because ever since I came to the Cater or the Waterland, I know I've seen that this is how they make the akpele with the corn flour, and it's the same steps and procedure she's also using here. So adding water to it. Yeah, so we're in the process of making Atsupipi. Yeah, I'm here in water. And, the processing which is done is like making akpele. Yeah, the corn flour was boiled like porridge, and the later added to it achumbo. That's achumbo. Yeah, Atsupipi Okay, yeah. So after stirring and boiling our corn flour, it's now ready. So pour it inside the pan and we spread it around to get it cold because we're dipping in our hand for the next process. And whilst waiting for our corn dough to get cold, we preheat our oil. So pour in our oil inside the frying pan and we place on top of fire. Wow. Yeah, so we'll be tearing apart or be separating our just boiled akpele, yeah, corn flour. It needs to be cold. So doing this will allow it to be cold very fast so that we're able to roll it. Yeah, so we're adding our corn flour to the akpele or to the boiled corn flour, yeah, and about to mix it. So she'll start kneading the both raw and the boiled corn flour together, making sure that she has a nice consistency. Bit by bit, add the raw corn flour to achieve nice texture and consistency that you want. Tenderness of it. You can say it's China.
A black boat, depends on the corn.
The corn.
There's some corn.
Oh, okay.
Others are not.
Oh, okay. When done, spread some of the corn flour on the rolling board or the surface that you use. This will help the rolling to be easy and also prevent from sticking in your hands. Okay, so you take a bit, you put it inside your pan or chopping board, table, whatever it is, then you roll it. So the corn flour that was spread under serves as like a flour. Yeah, when you're making pizza or bread, just to help maintain that doesn't stick on top of the pan or the table. So basically, that's how Atsupipi. I don't know if this chumo or achumbo. I'm confused myself. Yeah, so Atsupipi, yeah, that's the local name over here in the waterland. This is how it's done. Atsupipi. When you are pronouncing the word, as I said, your tongue and your teeth, there should be a combination of transfer of air. Atsupipi, Atsupipi, Atsupipi. Yeah. You need well-heated oil to fry this snack, and also it also prevents the snack from absorbing too much oil. After 10-15 minutes, it will be ready, then you take them out. Don't wait too much until everything's done brown inside the oil because you end up burning everything. There is an excess heat that continues to fry the snack even when they are brought out from the oil. So basically, this is how Atsupipi or achumbo or cornmeal sticks is done. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you can also prepare some watching the video. So if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram at Sindaco's recipe. Tell a friend, tell a brother, let's do this again for Shazam Manezo or KOKORO.